For this week's edition of PA Law on PA Live, we're talking about the challenges of refinancing or purchasing a home. Joining us as always is attorney Bill Vinsko from Vinsko and Associates in Wilkes-Barre. Bill, good to see you this week.
Good to see you as well, Dave.
Well, you know, it wasn't long ago pretty much anybody could go to a bank or a mortgage company and get financing, but that's not the case anymore.
No, it's very difficult to get financing. As a matter of fact, they want to know everything about you, your tax returns, how much you're making, and a lot of times that's not even enough. So I always tell people that I know that we have a lot of great local banks. Luzerne Bank, Penn Star Bank, two of the greatest banks around. There's a local feel to it. There's people here that can help you. So try those first, or your credit unions, and then go to the bigger banks.
Yeah, it's always good to work with someone you know or have a little bit more trust with. And Bill, you recommend a lot with the title. What are some issues and considerations with the title of the home?
Well, first of all, if you're paying cash for a property, you're not required to have title insurance in Pennsylvania. So the best thing to do is make sure that you have somebody do a search, and you should have title insurance, because title insurance protects you and a lender if you ever have a title issue. Somebody comes back and says they own the property. If you are financing, you have to have title insurance. So I always say, go to an attorney that has a title company, which we do, and we could help you go through everything. It's a one-stop shop.
What considerations are there when it comes to home inspections?
Well, home inspections, there's a couple different aspects. First of all, you had Dave from the National Weather Service talking about flash floods. A lot of homes in this area have been hit in one way or another by weather or floods. If you have been, you want to make sure you've done inspections on the home, the drywall, radon, because of the coal in this region. You want to have those things checked. One other thing you want to notice is that a lot of municipalities require you at this point to have a pre-sale inspection. Wilkes-Barre, Hanover Township, a lot of them. So if you have a municipality that does, you might want to check that out, because you can't sell the home until you've had those inspections by the municipality.
And Bill, isn't it true as a buyer you have some rights if you do a home inspection and you find something that is serious, you could basically opt out of that contract, right?
Absolutely. It gives you protection too. You're not going to buy something that you didn't know existed before.
All right, and as far as we talk about the final process here, it's always good to take a final look over everything and make sure all those numbers are right.
Absolutely. As I always say whenever I'm on the show with you, Dave, is make sure that when you're working with your bank, it's a payment that you could make, and you look at the closing costs ahead of time, because you don't want to have any surprises, because you don't want to buy this property and then stress out about making the payments. Once you're able to do it and your family's there, you want to be able to enjoy yourself.
All right, Bill, for our viewers that have more questions, what's the best way to get in touch with you?
Absolutely. You can call us anytime on our office line at 970-9700. You can catch us on Facebook at Vinsko and Associates or Vinsko.com. And we also have a title insurance in-house title insurance company. So if you are buying a home or refinancing, give us a call.
Kind of a one-stop shop.
Absolutely.
All right, attorney Bill Vinsko from Vinsko and Associates, thanks for being here for this week's edition of PA Law on PA Live.
Good to see you.
Good to see you as well. Brittany?